Welcome, a day in the cat's heaven. Here, paths are made, of kindness kept. Every good nap remembered, every purr archived. Transport here rides on comfort. Bridges woven from bonds we kept. Water remembers every shared bowl. I'm visiting, not staying. They fly like sighs of joy. Turn to blankets. Naps here never steal from play. Kneading grows the fields. Toys don't tangle. They teach joy loops. This road grows from gratitude. Scratch what scratched you. Offer thanks. Play is prayer here. Whiskers once lost, now waterfalls. Messages cross without pain. Allergens come pre-apologized. Memories in perfect key. Guides arrive as gentle teachers. I am a guest, learning. Oh. Towers, they'll never fall, only reshape. Offerings feed stories, not hunger. First circles, then horizons. Stories end in warmth here. Index, moments, not milestones. Sometimes we choose to miss. Marker of respect, not rank. Release builds bridges. Weave. Breakfast sunshine, windowsill, a nap. Edges are good goodbyes. Soft joy is sacred work. Rest earns respect. Gratitude grows without permission slips. Every leap lands in safety. Grateful for today. Storms reschooled into sweetness. Moments, not minutes. We always had enough when we had each other. Sills become stages. Trying is triumph. Good days in core here. Sweetness shared is sweetness squared. Gentle with all, stern with none. Curriculum. Kindness, naps, play. Thank you, teachers of small braveries. Warmth is a right here. Wish, may every cat feel safe. Thank you for every night patrol. Time here spells love. Grooming as gratitude. Up is just another word for close. For those who miss, a hug of light. So I don't forget this place. Souvenirs are blessings, not buys. Pattern says, keep playing. Here, joy ignores gravity. Goodbyes done, kindly echo forever. Temporary title, permanent lesson. Feasting on moments. A life is 1,000 tiny breezes. Borrowed, cherished, returned. This echo edits out fear. Wish for all strays to find home. Near beats far today. Every leap deserved a port of emotion. Even heaven has golden hour. New arrivals are welcomed by wonder. For the road back. I'll carry stories, not sorrow. Thank you for hosting Immortal. We'll meet again in naps and sunbeams. Remember to play, to rest, to love. Ready to go home. Thank you, Heaven of Cats. Step by step, story by story. slow blink. I love you. A small heaven to carry. If you're missing someone, they're warm. Carry joy, share naps, teach play. For it and in quiet. I brought some of heaven back.